the third thing that could help us is just good old fashioned American ingenuity. I think that there's going to be careers and things that are going to pop up that we've never thought of before, industries we've never thought of before, and those things will start to take root. So in the long term, I think things can get better, but I do think in the short term, the stock market this pullback. When the Dow hit 20,000, I think there's a lot more room for it to go down because ultimately a lot of the reason that people haven't sold their stocks is they're shocked. They don't know what to do, so they just did nothing.
Or they can't get a hold of the stockbrokers. They're hiding under the desk.
Yeah, their stockbrokers are tap dancing like Fred Astaire, and they should be. But it's one of those situations that I think in the next month or two, once things settle and people go, okay, this is the new norm, and unemployment's 13, 14%. I don't want to be in the stock market. I need that cash, and I think those sell-offs are going to start to push things even farther than where they are. And so people are going to go to safety. That's why the big investors in the world are getting into gold and silver. And that's why you see a huge rush in the physical, not the stock form, but the physical metal. People want it in their hands. They don't trust anymore. And so they're buying the actual physical metal from us. And we've obviously seen a big uptick. And you were asking us because you weren't sure of how things are going.
Right.
But we're shipping metals. I mean, metals are still getting shipped out. There's a few things that are harder to get. The Royal Canadian Mint is closed, so
right.
That product is difficult to get. We do have some of it, but there's a lot of other mines. You have Highland mints, you have U.S. mints, you have the Australian mints. We just got a big shipment of some Australian coins. So
wow.
There's definitely product out there to be had. So if people want to get it, we still have it. We're still shipping it.